I found out this is called Chandelar Hill down here, so this is what we drove up in the dark this morning. It's probably gonna look like nothing now. I'm gonna throw it in low gear. And it's all plowed out now. Looks like they already plowed through the drifts, so hopefully we'll be good here. Here, I put my glove on so I can hold you guys out the window. See all the truckers staged up down there at the bottom of the hill, probably chaining up for this hill. Guy's taking his chains off there. It's an oversized load. That big oversized load can't go up and over that pass. Number one, because the pass isn't open, but they need at least a lane and a half clear of snow for that thing to go up. So they're gonna be there probably all day and all night, I imagine. Anyway, let's head back south. The cool part about this is now you guys are gonna be able to see in the daytime what we drove through in the night the other day. Watch how slick it is, I'll show you. It's pretty bad. The road is really bad right now. We're gonna take it slow.